Here in Taipei, Taiwan, Computex has all kinds of things to see. Here, I'm actually in the Kingston Fury Suite. They have a range of gaming peripherals as well as enterprise stuff. So it's a full room here. Let's get started with the gaming. Kingston has a full setup for gamers, going from DDR4 to DDR5 RAM, different speeds, different capacities, and an example of different builds as well. This amount of RAM actually goes to 192 gigabytes of RAM, very fast speeds of 7,200 mega transfers, and they even have the DDR4 styles over here that's revamped for the new style. So it's making it nice and flashy, just the way gamers kind of like. Kingston has always had an excellent RGB style for their RAM, and the software is very straightforward in order to customize things the way you want. They have a number of presets right here, but then you can also get into the details of the RGB software. Each stick of RAM has 12 LEDs, so you can customize each and every one, creating your own pattern as you see fit. And the theme of the white RAM is here for Kingston. Different styles with RGB or without, whichever you like. Workstation RAM does not have to be ugly, and Kingston Fury has come out with their Fury Renegade Pro DDR5 RDIMMs. So these will actually go to 6,000 mega transfers, kit capacities up to 256 gigabytes. You can get some serious work done on workstations like this. The KC3000 is a top-end PCI Gen 4.0 NVMe SSD, and it does 7,000 megabytes per second reads and writes. 4 terabytes is the maximum capacity of these, and yeah, just substantial performance for the long run for these. Kingston does more than just PC RAM. They have integrated solutions of NAND and DRAM that are in all kinds of devices that you may be familiar with, like drones, Insta360 devices, handheld devices, Kobo, which is really cool, obviously tablets and laptops, and of course, your watches. You may have lots of Kingston technology right on you right now. For the adventurers out there, you may want this card. This will go from minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 85 degrees Celsius. So if you're in a volcano or the North Pole, this may be how you protect your data. And that's it at the Kingston Suite at Computex 2023. Taipei, Taiwan has been amazing, and all this technology, I'm absolutely loving. Shout out to Kingston. Thank you so much.